Hello everyone, this is Joanne at Easy Clean Ultrasonic Technology. Today I'm going to introduce our Tabletop ultrasonic cleaners. This is unheated series. Some workpieces need to be immersed and cleaned in cool liquid, especially when the liquid flash point is low but not too low. So, this series is recommended. This mechanical knob, you can adjust the time from 1 minute to 30 minutes. These rubber feet are to lower down the noise and protect the machine. This is the drainage valve. It is provided if the tank capacity is above 6 liters. The handles are for easy to move. Then let's look at the back side. The vents are to cool the machine. This is the plug port. This is the double safety switch. It makes the machine very safe and secure. Also, our industrial standard power cable is soft and heat resistant. The cleaning basket and the tank body is stainless steel 304. It is corrosion resistant. The tank is one-time forming without welding. It is waterproof and without potential linkage. We offer a great variety of tank sizes from 1 liter to 30 liters. This sample is in 6 liters. You can choose whichever you need. After the cleaning is completed and the machine is turned off, you can use a clean dry rag to clean the tank body after pouring out the cleaning agent. Easy Clean Ultrasonic makes cleaning easier. Follow us. Get to know more about ultrasonic cleaning. Thank you for watching.